Alright, let's be real. When Apple dropped the Vision Pro, everyone lost their minds. It looked like something straight out of Iron Man's garage. But then the Meta Quest 3 came along and quietly said, hey, I can do most of that, for about 1/10 the price. So today we're putting them head to head, the $3,500 Apple Vision Pro versus the $500 Meta Quest 3. Let's start with design. The Apple Vision Pro? It's like wearing a luxury car on your face. Sleek aluminum, curved glass, digital crown on the side. Everything screams Apple. But here's the catch. It's heavy. After 30 minutes, you start to feel like you're carrying a small MacBook on your forehead. Now the Meta Quest 3. Not as futuristic looking, but way more practical. It's lighter, more balanced. And the new pancake lenses make the headset slimmer and easier to wear for long sessions. It's like the difference between wearing designer shoes that look good for 10 minutes and sneakers you can actually live in. Now here's where Apple flexes. The Vision Pro's dual 4K micro OLED displays are jaw-dropping. It's like strapping two mini 4K TVs to your face. Movies look insanely sharp, text is crisp, and colors pop like never before. You can literally open your MacBook screen in front of your eyes, resize it, and drag it into midair. It feels like you're living inside a Pixar movie. But, and this is a big one, the Meta Quest 3 still delivers an incredible experience for the price. The per-eye LCD display isn't as sharp, but for VR gaming, it looks fantastic. The 120Hz refresh rate keeps everything smooth, and the new color pass-through means you can see your real-world surroundings in full color, not that fuzzy black and white from older models. Imagine playing Beat Saber, punching through neon walls, then instantly switching to your desk to answer a message, without even taking the headset off. That's the Quest 3 experience, affordable, fast, and fun. Apple's big selling point is the no controller experience. You use your eyes and fingers. Just look at an app and pinch your fingers to select it. It feels magical. For the first 5 minutes, then you realize your arms are floating in midair and you start doing weird finger yoga just to pause a video. Meanwhile, Meta's controllers still make sense for gaming. They're precise, haptic, and perfect for titles like Asgard's Wrath 2 or Superhot VR. And thanks to Hand Tracking 2.0, you can ditch the controllers when you want, meaning you can still pinch, swipe, and scroll like Iron Man when you feel fancy. So while Apple's gestures feel futuristic, Meta's controls feel human. They're built for how people actually play, not just how they demo it on a stage. The Vision Pro runs on Apple's M2 chip, the same powerhouse inside MacBooks, plus a dedicated R, one chip for real-time video processing. So performance is flawless, apps open instantly, multitasking is smooth, and the integration with your iPhone and Mac is seamless. You can start a FaceTime call in midair and literally see your friend's 3D avatar. Though let's be honest, those avatars still look like early Xbox characters trying too hard. The Meta Quest 3, on the other hand, runs Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2, built specifically for mixed reality. It's not as powerful, but the Quest store is filled with thousands of games and fitness apps. You can box, meditate, explore Mars, or watch Netflix in a virtual movie theater, all without plugging into a computer or buying $3,000 worth of accessories. For most people, that's what actually matters: fun, variety, and freedom. Now, let's talk money, because this is where things get hilarious. The Apple Vision Pro starts at $3,499, and that's before you even add prescription lenses or a travel case. The Meta Quest 3, $499. For that price, you could literally buy 7 Quest 3s, one for every day of the week, and still have cash left for coffee. Sure, Apple's headset feels more advanced, but Meta's feels accessible. The Quest 3 doesn't just show you the future, it lets you play in it without needing a credit check. So yeah, it's not even close. If you're chasing cutting-edge mixed reality for productivity, Apple wins, no question. But if you're after fun, comfort, and value, the Meta Quest 3 destroys it. The Vision Pro might be the future, but the Quest 3, that's the present. And it's actually fun to live in. Links for both are in the description. Check them out and tell me which headset you'd pick.